luxury living in one of St. Paul's hottest neighborhoods, McAllister Groveland. I'm Bethany Nelson with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and I'm excited to show you 1188 St. Clair Avenue. Distinguished by a unique two-story floor plan with vaulted ceilings, this 3-bed, 3-bath townhome has a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, high-end appliances, and hardwood floors. The master bedroom boasts of space and upgrades with a panoramic view and in-floor heat in the private bath. But wait, both bedrooms upstairs have their own private bathroom. All 1,980 finished square feet of this home set a new standard for townhome living in St. Paul. So don't miss out on this one and call us today for your own private showing.